If you pack the wrong outerwear for an Alaska cruise, you can end up cold, wet, and sad, and headed back to the ship early, even in summer. But with the right outer layer, you can stay out as long as you want and be ready for anything. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what to pack for your outer layer on an Alaska cruise, with tips by season so you can adjust based on the month you're traveling. You'll find a full packing list linked in the description. Before we talk clothes, let's talk weather. Coastal Alaska is part of a rainforest, so rain is extremely common. A waterproof or at least water-resistant outer layer is essential no matter the season. April, May, early June, September are the coldest months. Late June through August are the warmest months, with July being the warmest month of the year. That's why your outerwear should vary depending on the season and month you cruise. What works in July doesn't necessarily work in May or September. Here are the average temperatures according to season. Now, let's get packing. Number 1. Waterproof shoes. This is one of the most important items, waterproof shoes for all seasons. On a previous trip, I wore water-resistant hiking shoes and water eventually seeped in, and that was enough for me to switch to fully waterproof shoes for Alaska. For my next cruise, I picked up these Columbia waterproof shoes. I've worn them a few times already to break them in, but they were comfortable right away. They're lightweight on top and have deep tread on the bottom, and they feel very stable on wet ground and small rocks. Number 2. Water or water-resistant pants. When it comes to pants, your outer pants should be at least water-resistant, if not waterproof. For summer months, I've never found truly waterproof lightweight pants to purchase, only water-resistant ones. I use these lightweight pants from the brand Gopoon, which are perfect for warmer weather. Rain protection improves if you wear jeans or leggings underneath. For my upcoming early June cruise, I expect colder conditions, so I purchased fleece-lined ski pants that are fully waterproof and windproof. I purchased the deep gray waterproof pants also from Gopoon, and these waterproof pants in black from Benboy. There is a chance that these might be too warm for active excursions, but they should work well for colder excursions like early morning whale watching and glacier viewing outside on the cruise ship. For my early June trip, I'll still bring 2 or 3 of my lightweight water-resistant pants so I can layer them over jeans or leggings on warmer, sunnier days or more active excursions like a long nature hike. Number 3. Waterproof jacket, the most versatile choice. Because rain is likely, a waterproof jacket is essential. For colder months, I recommend a 3-in-1 jacket, an outer rain shell with an inner slim puffer that zips in, giving you 3 options. On my July cruise, I brought the puffer only from my 3-in-1 jacket, as well as a different lightweight rain jacket because the 3-in-1 felt too heavy. It surprisingly didn't rain, and I wore my slim puffer just a few times, mostly mornings and whale watching, and other times I was fine in just a long sleeve shirt. Number 4. Sunhat. Yes, needed in Alaska. The UV is strong in Alaska, especially in summer. Someone in my group got sunburned during a July excursion. I wore this packable waterproof brim hat and used sunscreen, and I didn't get sunburned. For cooler or rainier conditions, a water-resistant baseball cap can work really well. You can pull your jacket hood over it, and the brim helps to keep rain out of your face. Therefore, no need to carry a cumbersome umbrella. For early June, I'll be bringing both the sun hat and the cap. They're lightweight and easy to throw into a waterproof backpack as conditions change. Number 5. Beanie or snow cap. A beanie is optional in peak summer, but very useful in colder months. In July, I only used a snow hat twice, once during whale watching when it got windy, and once on a colder morning. I could have gone without it, but it was nice to have. I predict that the snow cap will also work well in early June. Because it's lightweight and takes up almost no space, I recommend tossing one into your waterproof backpack just in case during the colder months. Number 6. Gloves. I didn't need warm gloves at all in July, but waterproof gloves are important in colder months. For early June, I'm packing waterproof isotoner gloves that are warm, comfortable, and touchscreen compatible. For summer, lightweight UV gloves are a great alternative. They're nice to have when it's raining or cool, but warm winter gloves are just a little too much. Since they're very lightweight, I'll be packing them as well as my warm winter gloves on my early June cruise. Number 7. Waterproof backpack. Let's talk about keeping your gear in extra layers dry during wet weather. I strongly recommend bringing a fully waterproof backpack. However, many backpacks available for purchase are water resistant, which can work for a sprinkle but have the chance to fail in heavy rain or in light rain if you're outside long enough. I'll link a waterproof backpack in the description. Number 8, earmuffs. Earmuffs are rarely, if ever, needed in peak summer, and even in colder months, a beanie usually works just as well. However, for colder Alaska cruise months, if you're near snow or ice, like on the Skagway train or walking on a glacier, earmuffs can be nice to have as an extra touch if you prefer. This video is part 1 of a 3-part Alaska cruise packing series covering the outer layer, the mid layer, and the inner layer. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and check out the description for the full packing list. Happy Alaskan travels!